If you're searching for a student home that feels like you're on vacation daily, look no further than Access West Campus Austin. Choose from stylish 1, 2 and 4-bedroom apartments. Cook in a kitchen straight out of a chef's dream, fully equipped with an island, stainless steel appliances and more. Tackle heaps of laundry with the in-unit washer and dryer and relax in the sunlight from windows in every room. Smash your health goals in style at the fitness studio and a sparkling resort-style pool. Bring your fur babies along with you. There's a dog park for them to run around. Crush academics at the cafe and study lounge. Plus, cable and high-speed internet are included in your rent. And there's a controlled access parking garage for your wheels. Get to class on time with Austin Community College and the University of Texas at Austin, just a short drive away. Hop on a bus from 1728 Enfield or 2206 Enfield stops and explore the city easily. So, book your spot at Access West Campus Austin, now via amberstudent.com.